foreground. This award is going to move in foreground.
Absolutely, cover it, sir.
Come, give your winner bite.
विनोद भाई कुर्सी एक
You're okay?
और लोग दो.
Okay, chalo, they got it.
चलो
Is it okay if we do it together?
क्या बात है. Congratulations.
Again. Oh. Yes.
How does it feel? आपको लगा था जैसे कि एक दो नाव पर पाँव सवार वाला सिचुएशन लग रहा था?
How does it feel? I feel on top of the world. Deepika, how does it feel?
What?
Winning Best Actress for Piku.
How does it feel winning Best Actress for Piku? I'm so happy, but at the same time, I feel like I wish I'd won for Bajirao as well. But there's always a next time, and because I know Bajirao was special. I know Tamasha was equally special. So while it's nice to see your name being nominated there so many times, you win only for one. So, but I'm happy. Either way, I'm happy.
आपको इस बात से सरप्राइज हुआ कि पीकू जैसी स्मॉल बजट फिल्म या फिर इतनी सिंपल फिल्म्स भी इतने बड़े-बड़े अवार्ड्स जीत रही हैं?
No, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because our audience is very intelligent. Our audience is very sensitive.
लेकिन 100 करोड़ 200 करोड़ बड़ी-बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म्स ही बनाते हैं.
If I may.
No, I think the intention is always the most important thing. I think when we set out to make Piku, the intention was right. The intention was to give out the message that at some stage in our lives, all our parents get old and they become children, and we have to become the adult and we have to take care of them. But it's not easy, and you take people in your life for granted. There are arguments, it's daily arguments, it's you're cribbing and complaining about the smallest things, but that's what life is about. And I read the very first scene, I was rather narrated the very first scene of Piku, and instantly I knew that this was a film I wanted to do because I knew it was the voice of so many women, if not the whole of. And the thing is that it's not just now that it's released, and it's been more than a year since it's released. I've traveled the world, and there are people from all over the world who've identified with Piku. Not just Indian women, but women all around the world of different age groups, different cultures. And I think that's the idea. When you do films to entertain the audience, but you also do films to... films like these are very few, where there's a message and where you can really touch and influence people's lives.
रणवीर, आप बहुत ध्यान से दीपिका को देख रहे हैं. पीकू दिख रही है या मस्तानी दिख रही है?
ये जब भी बोलने लगती हैं तो मैं ट्रांसफिक्स्ड रहता हूँ. कितना खूबसूरत बोलती है ना.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
यार मेरे ख्याल से तो
There was
कोई
probably a
फिल्में
pimple on my face that he was like, how do we get rid of that?
मेरे ख्याल से यार पिक्चरें बड़ी या छोटी नहीं होती है. There is no big film, there is no small film. I don't believe that there are things like these. You can't typify films like that on the basis of what kind of budget they're being made on or how much money they're making. It's about stories. They're just stories. फिल्में देखिए, फिल्में बड़ी छोटी नहीं होती, केवल कहानियाँ होती है. वो या तो कनेक्ट करती हैं लोगों के दिलों से या तो नहीं करती हैं. तो बड़ी फिल्में वो होती हैं जिनकी मेमोरी हो, जो लोग हमेशा के लिए याद रखें, और याद रखें कि यार ऐसा भी मैंने देखा था, इतना हंसाया, इतना रुलाया, और क्या मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस रहा वो फिल्म देखना. आई थिंक फिल्में वो होती हैं जो दिल को छू जाती हैं.
आप इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर के साथ, नए डायरेक्टर्स के साथ छोटी फिल्म करेंगे if you ever get a chance?
और जैसे कि मैंने कहा, कहानियाँ होती हैं, उन कहानियों में किरदार होते हैं. अगर कोई ऐसा किरदार हो जो मुझे मेरे रोंगटे खड़े कर दे तो बेशक मैं करूँगा, क्यों नहीं.
What was the experience working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali? How is he as a director?
The fact that it takes you over a year to recover from a movie that you've done with him, and we've worked with him twice over in less than a span of 1 year. We finished Ram Leela, we'd barely recovered from that, and he was ready for Bajirao Mastani, and you know, it is what it is. But I think that's the amazing power that he has. He's just such an incredible person, human being, but so incredibly talented that you're willing to sacrifice so many things in your life to make that movie possible or to make those experiences possible. You're willing to sacrifice on your personal time, you're willing to sacrifice your family time, you're willing to sacrifice on other commitments, endorse. I mean, there's so much that an actor can do, but you're willing to sacrifice all of that to be able to be a part of his vision and his dream. And you have to completely surrender, and I think that's a very, very powerful thing.
Now that you are barely recovered from Bajirao Mastani, Padmavati is ready. Why do you think you both remain his first choice?
I guess we're lucky.
Oh, Vijay, please, Vijay, come on, please. Deepika.
I don't know. I mean, I can't say that about any other film. We've done Ram Leela and we've done Bajirao
This is the year of
Mastani. and,
Bajirao Mastani.
you know, I think that we can only talk of films that we've done and say that we feel extremely fortunate that he's given us that experience time and again. He's given us those opportunities time and again. Most importantly, he's given us these iconic characters that people will remember us forever and ever. And I think somewhere we're all on the same page. I think we're all together in it for all the right reasons. We're in it because we're passionate. We're in it because we want to tell stories in the most magnificent way possible. And I have to say that we feel really, really fortunate that every time he thinks of a movie, he thinks of us.
कोई ऐसा genre ऐसा रह गया है जो कि आपने नहीं किया और आप करना चाहेंगे?
Guys, now this is the last question with
From Om
Okay.
Shanti all the way to Piku and now even Hollywood, you've consistently set a benchmark for yourself. What kind of roles will now challenge you? What kind of
I think it's similar to what she asked me, which is, again, I don't think I've ever in my journey ever said this is the type of film I want to do. When I did Piku, when I did Bajirao, when I did Tamasha, you know, these are not films. I mean, when I did Chennai Express, for example, I didn't say I want to do this kind of film. I think films come to you. Films happen. They happen at the right time. They happen for the right reasons, and they just happen when they happen. And I think your choices are also based on where you are in your life at that point. Something that excites me today may not have excited me 2 years ago, or may not excite me 2 years from now. So it also depends on where you are creatively. What do you want to achieve? What is it that excites you as an actor? And you know, follow your heart and your instinct.
Okay,
Ranveer
Ranveer,
is so mesmerized. He doesn't.
Okay,
If you can have anything to say about his own.
Nobody is asking me question.
बताइए
guys
ना,
are-
क्या बताएं?
दीपिका जी,
हाँ जी।
share your
Please.
experience working with Ranveer Singh.
देखिए, कोई मुझसे तो सवाल कर ही नहीं रहा है.
आप
जिससे सवाल किया गया है तो हाँ जी, मैं जवाब दे दूं. How was it working with Deepika? मैं
Why
क्यों
don't you look that side and take some
Ah, sorry.
questions from here
you guys
also?
have said that Bajirao Mastani has been physically and mentally the most
Yes.
draining
Yes.
performance of your career.
Well, we
Your-
thought Ram Leela was, and then Bajirao topped it.
Is Befikre acting as a therapy for Bajirao Mastani? And for you, now that you're signing your next film, will it be a light-hearted film and not an emotional film like Bajirao or Ram Leela, or maybe even a Piku?
I think that's it's an intelligent question, I have to say, but unfortunately, I don't think actors are in that place. Oh, sorry, the question was for you. I'm so sorry.
No, it was for you also.
You answer.
What?
You answer. Sorry. I'm
What
so
to say?
sorry.
I'm on a holiday. I'm not doing any film. बेफिक्रे तो by the way बन रही है. I am on holiday. Easy, breezy, spontaneous. मतलब जो मन में आया बोल दिया कर दिया. I don't even think about what I'm gonna do that day. Just let the camera roll and just flow. It's been a really light and fun experience, and I hope all that happiness that we made the film with, Adi sir, myself, we're in a very happy phase of our lives, touch wood. And we've made it at a time like that, so I hope that happiness translates into a happy film that, and that's infectious, that the audience also gets that same kind of feeling. So yeah, I'm ready to dive into some really intense work. I hope whatever film I get next will be something I can really sink my teeth into.
Will it be a light-hearted film?
So like I was saying, I don't think it would be the most ideal situation. I'm not going to deny that, but at the same time, you're also going to do something that is exciting for you. So if it turns out to be something that's light-hearted and easier to do, or I wouldn't say easier to do, but just more light-hearted and little less on, say, the emotional extraction, so to speak, I think it would be nice. But at the same time, if I got something that that's going to take me through that journey again, I'm willing to go through that.